Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to make professional account on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to make professional account on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app and make sure to be logged into your Instagram account over here. And from over here guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon on a small circle. Tap on over there. And over here again at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the three-lined icons available for us. Tap on there. And over here you'll be required to scroll down until you can find the account type and tools. Over here guys, you can see there it says the for professionals, there is the account type and tools. Tap over there and you'll be able to see the switch to professional account option available for us. Now in order to make a professional account on Instagram, let's tap on switch to professional account and you will be required to read all of these informations by Instagram. Tap on continue after reading all of these. And on the next step, you'll be required to choose what best describes you for being an Instagram professional on an Instagram. You can see all of these options available for us for category. We'll be going through the digital creator. We will be going through the digital creator only, and you can also choose to display it on profile or not. So let's tap on the display on profile and tap on done. And over here guys, you'll be required to choose either you want your professional mode to be for your business or for your creation. We'll be just going to the creator, so the creator mode is on for us. But if you want to be managing for your professional account for a business, then go to a business. We'll be going to the creator guys, and let's tap on next and let's tap on continue. And over here, after you have done all of the things on Instagram to make your professional account, lastly you will be required to go through these 5 steps in order to complete your account. So you'll be required to choose some post, or you can get inspired, you can follow, you'll be required to follow some of these. And after that, let's go back. You can grow your audiences, you can invite your friends by SMS, WhatsApp. You can go to all of these tips guys. You can see, you can introduce yourself, you can create a post over here. And let's go back for your post. And after you have all of these things, your professional mode is already on, but you will get most of your creator account after you have completed these steps. And after that, you'll be starting to be on the professional mode on Instagram. And there guys, this is how to make professional account on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.